Hey there everybody. I'm going to go through just a couple new features I've added to the Great Dane Cinema TicketMaker application. First thing I'd point out, this is actually included in version 1.3, but I find it really handy. I'm not sure everybody's seen it yet, but I have added a preview handler for the Windows preview pane. So any ticket that you click on will show its preview in the preview pane without actually having to open the file. So if you have a lot of tickets, it's really handy to be able to see what they're going to look like before you open them up. So next, I'll open up the NFL template that I have. I know a fair number of people have requested to be able to make tickets for sporting events that they want to hold in their home theaters, and it can be kind of a hassle to have to manually import team logos and names and edit the ticket elements one at a time. So what I've done, I've added support for user-definable bindings. These are imported through a specially formatted CSV file, and I'll host these as Google Sheets at some point that you can download and save as a CSV. This particular one has the entire 2016 NFL schedule. You can see there's user fields with the types and a description of what the field is along the top. Those first three rows must be defined in this way. And then below that, each row has the associated information. You can see on the images, it's just a URL to the image location pulled straight from the NFL. There's logos and helmets, various images you can choose from, as well as the time that each game is played. So back to the ticket. In order to use that, all you have to do is go to Import Custom Bindings, and wherever I put my bindings, open up that CSV file. It will then import all the bindings, so if you click on an element, you'll get these field bindings. The descriptions are imported in and shown in parentheses right next to the user fields. You see I have 16 of them defined here. You can have a maximum of 20. And this will drop down here. I have just for testing, but this will allow you to pick, this is basically corresponding to each row in that CSV file. And if we wanted to pick a game, let's see which one's coming up. Let's do the Dolphins and the Chargers. Click Make Ticket. It's going to pull the associated information from the CSV file and make your tickets for you. If we just collapse the editor and blow this up a little bit, you can see it pulled down the team names, their logos on their helmets, the time of the game. This is a description field of who's playing and where. If you wanted to change the logos, get rid of the helmets, you could change to a different field binding. It's actually pretty easy to do. This one is the away team image, but if you want to change it to the team logo, just switch that binding. And these are also in that CSV file, so if you prefer this look, there you go. Now you've got logos instead of helmets. So this can be defined for really any type of custom bindings you want. This is NFL. You could do NHL, NBA, various other sporting leagues if you chose. I'll be making up some import files as I have time.